Solve algebraic equations. Now here we have with a lot of fractions in it, right? Now how will you do it? The best thing is to find the lowest common multiple, multiply with that on both the sides to get rid of fractions. So our policy is to get rid of fractions, okay? Now let's start with the numbers 2 over 3 here and 1 over 4, which are multiplying half x minus 4, and 1 over 4 multiplies 1 over 3x plus 5. So the common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12, right? So think like this. We are multiplying both sides by 12. So let me rewrite this. So we'll say 12 times 2 over 3, and within bracket we have 1 over 2x minus 4 equals to 12 times 1 over 4, 1 over 3x plus 1. Now you see 3 goes in 12 4 times and 4 goes in 12 3 times. So you have 4 times 2, that is 8, and you have to multiply everything inside by 8, right? In this case you have 3 times 1 as 3, and you have to multiply everything inside by 3, okay? So let's do that part now. So this is what we did to get to the next step, and this step is multiplying both sides by lowest common multiple, and that is the most important step to solve algebraic equations which has fractions in it, right? So we'll do it a couple of times. So we got 4 times 2, 8. So let's multiply everything inside by 8. Let me rewrite this first. We get 8 times half x minus 4 equals to 3 times 1 over 3x plus 1. Now 8 times half of 8 is 4, right? So you get 4x here. 4x. So why? So what we do is we multiply both the numbers with 8. So that is a distributive property, correct? Similarly here also we'll multiply both these numbers inside the bracket by 3. So we'll get half of 8 is 4. So 4x minus 8 times 4 is 32. So minus 32 equals to 3 times 1 over 3 is just 1, right? So we are left with 1 times x, which is x, plus 3 times 1 is 3. Wow, we got rid of both the fractions. Fractions inside and fractions outside. That's a good step. So now we can bring like terms together. Now we have an algebraic equation in one variable which we can solve by bringing like terms together, right? So we'll bring the variables on the left side. So we have fx minus 32. Bringing variables on the left side means what? It means that we should take away minus x from both the sides. So let me show you what I'm trying to do here. So I'm doing minus x both sides. Right? If I do that and add, so I get 4x minus 32 minus x equals to x minus x is 0. I'm left with 3 here. Correct? And now we can bring constants on the right. So we have to get rid of constant from the left side. So what do? We add plus 32, right? So let me write like this time. That is, I'm writing separately here like this, plus 32 and plus 32, correct? If we do that, then we get 4x minus x, which is 3x. We get 3x equals to 3 plus 32, which is 35. And now we can divide by 3 and we get x equals to 35 divided by 3. So that is the solution of the given algebraic expression, right? So that is how it is to be done. Now I will show you alternate way, because some of my students are doing, I'll solve from here 4x minus 32 equals to x plus 3 in a different way, which is 4x minus 32 equals to x plus 3, right? So here I have shown you what I'm doing, right? I'm taking away minus x and then adding 32. So what exactly I'm doing, I'll show you in this step separately, right? So what we are doing is we want variables on this side and the constants on the other side. That means we do not want 32 here, right? So we have to add 32 on both the sides. If we do so, then minus 32 plus 32 will be 0, and so we will not have any constant terms here. We'll have only variable. Now to get rid of this variable x, we'll do minus x both sides. Then we'll get 4x minus x here, and there won't be any variable on the right side. Let me show you here once again. So this is what I'm trying to do here. 4x minus 32 is already with us. We are doing plus 32 so that we don't have any constants on this side, and for this we are doing minus x on both sides. Correct? Same thing we'll do on the right also. We have x plus 3, we'll do plus 32 and minus x. You see, we added these two terms on both sides, plus 32 and minus x. That is what we did. And what happened? See, minus 32 plus 32 is 0. And then we have 4x minus x, which is 4x minus x is 3x. We get 3x equals to, on this side, x minus x is 0. And we get 3 plus 32, which is 35. That is how we got to this step. Do you see that? Now, we have 3x, but what do we need? We need to solve for just x. So what we do? We do 3x equals to 35. We divide both sides by 3. Correct? When we divide both sides by 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we are left with x here equals to 35 divided by 3. And that is how we get this answer. Correct? So these are the steps which I have done after here. So some students, they do it automatically. Some will just transfer this 32 there and make it plus 35, 32 plus 3, and bring x on this side and make it 3x. So depending on how you are doing it, you can adopt any method. But what you get is x equals to 35, and that is the way to do it. Okay, thank you.